Hello, it's been a while since I made a video, and I've been meaning to make this one for a long while. Today, me and Jakob are going to put some windows on the van, and it's going to be really easy. But first we're going to eat, and then go to the post office. Can we go to the post office? Yeah. Oh, it's going to drop on the floor.
No, it's not.
No, but it is.
No, but it's not, though.
God, I feel a lot of responsibility. You get one pair of gloves.
I've got gloves.
Okay.
Is that primer?
You get these little things that clean your ears as well.
They're pretty dense.
What are they for?
So I'll applicate for that probably.
Right. Surface primer wipes, squeezy things so when you make cakes. Mate, and then these. Alright, an instruction manual.
A template.
A template? No, it's like this. They stick exactly around here. And we just cut off.
You sure about that?
Like, should we size it up first? Should we just put them against the window?
Where's your little saddle?
Oh yeah! Man, I bought the right tools. Oh my god, imagine that smashed the wind. Oh mate. Alright, and then that just goes
Done.
Wait, how does that fit? This is the inside or outside? It's like thin.
I'm just wondering if I can see someone to see where they cut it.
Yeah, check, because they go inside the van and they just follow the... They basically drill out that corner, that corner, that corner, that corner, cut it all out, and then you go from there.
Bish bash bosh.
Mate, it's easy, that's why I'm asking you to help me loads with it. We're just going to use the inside to cut the windows out. We're going to use this as a template, because realistically, this side should be easier, because it doesn't have like glue down there. And one thing I've read about T4s is like, the glue down here is like the worst, not the worst thing in the world to get off, but you know, so we're going to use this as a template to cut, and yeah, it's going to be easy. Now we're through like cheese. How big do I make it? Alright, there's been a change of plan, alright? This little perfection time has taken too long, so we've used something a little bit different.
Can't get that low with it.
Yeah.
This thing cuts it so well. When it's not on the black shit.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see what you're doing. Yeah, we upgraded again. Oh shit, it doesn't even fit. Put your bloody fingers, mister. Be careful.
What? And I've still got a little bit at the top.
Oh shit. The van has no side on it.
Now I can actually nicely cut this out.
Alright. That's pretty successful. Oh my van. Right, now we have to finish it off.
We just need to follow. I mean, this bit here is pretty much perfect, but only this little bit here.
Well, what's that? There's a little nick out of it then, right?
What?
Sure, there's like a nick that goes into the...
I reckon that was already there.
Oh. Right.
So, now what?
But this is the learning curve. The line is tidier, we haven't done the corners yet, but oh my god, look at this mess.
On that shitty rubber.
Look at that, we're at the point of like obvious no return, so just want to make sure we do it properly more than anything, because we are making a YouTube video on this, so to do it wrong and then put it on the internet would be ridiculous. So we're going to do it slowly and then we're going to rush the other side. So the problem we've got, right, is this annoying little rubber bit here. We need to get rid of it, I think, to put the new rubber on the actual window. If we come across to this side, it doesn't have that rubber bit at all anywhere, so this side should actually be a hoot, it should be super quick, but we don't really know that. We hope it will be. I'm pretty sure this side will be like done in, I'm going to say like an hour. We'll do this side, but this side so far, what have we been, like 2 hours maybe? An hour and a bit. Cool.
Maybe an hour and 55.
An hour and 57 now. Will it not be better when it's hot?
Need to just go all tacky and sticky.
Okay. Well, that's the next job, so we'll just see where we go. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Jake's like mastered it. It's not as close as you could get, but it's fine.
Well, I'll trim it.
That's insane. Look at that! Oh my god. See, when we get going, I mean you get going, it's quite productive. Now obviously this one's made of cement because I couldn't cut it. Alright, we have one last bit of rubber to cut out, and then what are we doing? What did you just say? Masking tape. Oh, and then we're going to perfect this line up here. Because these lines are okay, the corners and everything are just this top bit here. Mate, if I was inside looking out, I would actually think that that came from the factory like that, to be honest. So I'm quite glad. This is a much bigger job than we thought. We keep getting to like little hurdles, and every time the job gets bigger. It's fun though. It's not.
We probably should have just read the instructions before we started.
If we read the instructions before we started, we probably would have never done it, Jacob.
This is true.
So now, we just have to hammer the van a little bit. I'll explain why maybe, but... So I'm going to hate this. Are you sure? I've hit my van so much.
I've got such a fucking banging headache.
He's drunk. He's got a headache too. How's it in?
You want it?
Oh, just keep dropping it.
A few moments later.
Better than I
So
could.
yeah.
Oh, it's very dark. Oh. Oh.
Does it look good?
We'll do once we've ground it off.
Do you want me to hold this for you, mate?
Yeah.
Go on. Alright. This has been long, but great learning. Jake's literally learned how to weld, spot weld. I'm not going to go too close because he's embarrassed by it, but it's not anything. This whole project is like a learning thing anyway, but geez, I'm still excited. We may have to come back tomorrow if we can get the space tomorrow to come back and work into the evening to finish it off. But all we're going to do, all this video is us finishing this window. So all that's left to do, okay, we're gonna go close. Don't judge, generally, don't judge the bloody welds, okay? It's our first time, literally our first time ever welding. But there you go, we sanded it down and stuff. We've so far cut out the window, which was a lot of effort, redone all the lines, and one thing that we found out while we were doing it was, like complete idiots, it was my fault. I didn't read the instructions before we started. Like I actually didn't. I watched a couple of videos, I was like, looks fairly easy. In my head, what you had to do was cut out the window, put like a seal on this, and then stick the window on, like in five steps, right? But what you actually have to do is cut the window out, then hammer it. So let's go to the other side so I can show you. You have to cut along this line, and then you have to hammer it so this curvy bit is completely straight and against the seal on the other side, which is what we've done here. So we've then hammered the seal into it and then spot welded it so it stays together. There's other ways you can do it. You can do it with glue. The instructions say glue, but I spoke to Transporter HQ who supplied these windows, and they also, when they were doing it, they spot welded theirs as well. So that's what we've done. Next steps that we've got to do today is put the rubber around the window, get some primer on all of this so we can clean up all this crap, and glue the window to it, and then hold it up with masking tape. While the window like dries or whatever, we're gonna maybe cut out that side as well, but our main focus is getting this window in, and that's when I'll put a tick next to this video and call it done. That doesn't sound like giving up, does it? Oh, Jake, boo! Right, last test fit, yeah? Now it's like it doesn't fit. I guess it's supposed to be out like that, maybe? It's supposed to be top. How do you clamp it in? How do you keep it in? That's the question. Because that's just out. How you feeling, Jake?
Nervous and excited all at the same time.
You ready? Have you used one of them before? No? Okay. Oh, if this was 3D, this would be amazing. Whoa!
Whoa. Look at all of that.
Yeah, that's quite a bit. That's right, carry on. I mean, you're going to have to. Smooth. That's it, that's it.
This is going to be some gripping footage. This really aches my arm. Right, do we just go on square? Square as we can go. Don't tuck the top or the bottom.
Right, careful. Line it up from the bottom. Good? Pushing now. Shit, we've done it. Huh?
To put that small nozzle on
And go around the inside.
and run around the inside.
Let completely go.
Yeah? What?
Okay, so it's actually the next day after we fitted the window. We're currently driving back to the unit where the van is at the moment, right? That's where we're going. And so what we left with the van, like the window was in and we had it like tied, so hopefully it's clamped. And there is a danger that we will get there and it's fallen out. And if that happens, I'm giving up.
Make a good video though.
Yeah, it would make a good video. But we're gonna do that. We're gonna record that bit in the next video, like for the next video, because this video was way too long and it's us, the first time we ever fitted a window. Hopefully it turned out decent anyway, as in the video. And the next video of us fitting the window will be way more like tutorial-y, if that makes sense.
Well, because we kind of know what we're doing
We
now.
know, yeah, we read the instructions and we will just repeat yesterday's process. So hopefully we'll have more time to worry about the cameras and what we're actually recording, rather than be like, oh god damn, what are we doing? Join us in the next video when we find out A, if this window even stuck in, and if it didn't, we will still do the tutorial for the next window, but I'll also give up on this van. It's going to scrap. So
What?
I'm joking. I don't know
Can
what
I have
we
it
do.
then?
What do we do if we get there and the window's out though?
Just, I don't know, to be honest.
Do you know what I mean? It's, oh.
I can't see how it would have fallen out though.
I know, I just know my luck, man. Anyway, we'll catch you in the next video for that. And yeah, thanks for watching if you made it this far. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye, 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 bye. I think you're joking.
I'm not.
How did that happen? Wait, it's not even smashed. That's